What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in a Honda Santa Cruz.
Now the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote, and we're going to push this button in and we're going to pull the key out. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move this back case right here, and the way we're going to do that is, you see this hole that you have here? The back case piece of plastic actually goes all the way down into here, but there's a little gap where you can use a flathead screwdriver and you can stick it in and then pry it up. You can see how the case is popping up like that. You're just going to push it up and we're going to remove this. All right, here's the battery. It's going to be a CR2032, and I'll have links down below for new batteries if you want to pick some up. They take you to Amazon. Okay, make it nice and easy for you. To get the battery out, we're just going to push it out the side right here. And just take note that the positive side is facing you. We're going to get a new battery, and we're just going to stick it back in the holder. And even on the holder, it even says positive right here on the holder. And then we'll get the back case, and we'll just snap it right back on. Okay, it just snaps right back on. And then we'll get the emergency key and just put it right back in, snap it all together, and we're done. Really hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.